everyone. This video is going to be a combination of two Tokyo trips that I went on. One was early in the spring and it was a girls trip that I went on with a few of my friends. We ended up going to teamLab Planets, the Kit Kat Chocolatory where we made our own Kit Kats. Obviously did a lot of shopping in the Shibuya area. And we also went to the Shinjuku Garden, which was really cool. And I decided to combine those clips with a few clips from when I went to Tokyo a few weeks ago in August. I went to a cat cafe in Akihabara, Zojoji Temple, and did some shopping in the Ginza area. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you in our next video.
Gonna fade away. I could be there behind you. To pick the pieces up too late. I don't need you now, I'm alone. I can feel my life go by in slow motion. I need to know if you're afraid or
Hey everyone, I am in Tokyo for the weekend and I thought I'd bring you along to a temple I'm about to go see. My hotel is pretty close to the Tokyo Tower, and so I've never heard of this temple, but I think it's called the Zojoji Temple, and it's really cool because it's right in front of Tokyo Tower and has a view of Tokyo Tower in the background. So I'm gonna go there, and then I think I'm gonna do some shopping in the Ginza area, and then I have to head back home. And so yeah, so I thought I'd take you along. I was actually supposed to hike Mount Fuji yesterday, however it got canceled because a kind of like last minute typhoon came through and canceled my plans. So we're gonna have to save hiking Mount Fuji for next year, but it's not all bad. At least I get to explore a little bit more of Tokyo. So let's go see Zojoji Temple. Temple. It looks pretty cool. I'm surprised I've never heard of this temple before getting to my hotel, and I just saw it walking down the street. But yeah, it looks so cool with Tokyo Tower in the background. So I just went into the temple to look around, and they were having some sort of ceremony or service, a Buddhist service, because this is a Buddhist temple, and I'm assuming it's because it is currently Obon season or Obon holiday here in Japan, which is one of the worst times to visit Tokyo, but here I am. So that is one recommendation. If you do come to Japan, do not come during a major holiday. Obon and Golden Week are probably the two most major holidays in Japan. Surprisingly, it hasn't been as busy as I've expected, but still, just to be clear, like, do not come to Japan during Obon or Golden Week. I guess I should also explain what Obon holiday is. Obon is basically a time for the Japanese people to visit the graves of their ancestors and to sort of commemorate their memories and their legacies. I think now I'm just gonna go and walk around the grounds a little bit more, and then I'm gonna head to Ginza, where I'm gonna do hopefully some shopping. Not too much though, because I barely have enough room in my backpack because I brought my entire Mount Fuji hiking backpack. So I can't buy too much stuff. How many stories this Uniqlo is. That is crazy. One tip I will say about Japan, do not visit Japan in June, July, or August, ever. It's currently like 90 degrees with 90% humidity. Please do yourself a favor and do not come here during the summer. I just got finished shopping and got a few things, and now I'm on my way to 7-Eleven to catch a quick lunch and then head back to Misawa.